Hello techies. Today we are going to see one of the very interesting topic in software industry. Service company versus product companies. Which is best? So let's focus more elaborative points regarding both service and product companies. Let's get into the videos techies. The preference between service and product companies depends on various factors, including individual goals, skills, and interest. Both types of companies offer always a unique opportunities and challenges. Here I would list out few consideration for each service companies and product companies. So first let's focus on the service company. So first one is client interactions. Service companies often involves direct client interactions, allowing professionals to understand client needs and build their relationships. Second, diversify the projects. Working for a service company may expose individuals to a variety of projects and industries, providing a diverse work experience. Third, skill development. Service roles can contribute to the development of versatile skills, problem solving abilities, and adaptability. Fourth, steady revenue. Service companies may have a more stable revenue stream since they provide ongoing services to clients. So next one will be product companies. First, innovation. Product companies focus on creating and improving products, allowing for involvement in innovation and cutting edge technologies. Second, ownership. Working on a product often gives a sense of ownership as employees contribute to the development and success of a specific product. Third, long-term vision. Product companies typically have a long-term vision, and success may lead to substantial growth and recognition. Fourth, product life cycle. Individuals in product companies may experience the product life cycle from idea to development and then launching and supporting for the particular products. So herewith I am concluding, ultimately the best choice depends on the personal preferences, career goals, and type of work environment that aligns with individual values. Some professionals may prefer the dynamic nature of service company, while others may enjoy the focus on innovation and ownership in product companies. It's always essential to consider your skills, interest, and long-term career objectives when making this decision. So my suggestion would be there is both pros and cons in both the service and product industries. It depends upon your mode of interest and your skill set which you are preferring to. So this is all about today's topic. I hope you guys had got some insight about both the industries. So let's meet you in some other video. Bye bye techies.